Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In 2026, Cinnamon and KDE Plasma are still two of the best Linux desktop environments. Both provide a familiar Windows style layout, excellent customization, and a comfortable desktop experience. However, they are built for very different users. Cinnamon focuses on simplicity and stability, while KDE Plasma offers modern features and almost unlimited customization. So, which one should you choose in 2026? Let's find out. Starting with Cinnamon, it is the flagship desktop environment of Linux Mint. You get a traditional bottom panel, application menu, taskbar, system tray, and desktop icons. Everything feels familiar from the first boot, especially for someone switching from Windows. Cinnamon's biggest strength is consistency. It gives you themes, applets, desklets, extensions, panel customization, and window effects, but it does not overwhelm you with hundreds of options. The settings are easy to understand, and the default experience feels polished without requiring additional configuration. Cinnamon is also a great choice for office computers, family PCs, beginners, and users who value reliability. Its animations are simple, performance is generally smooth, and it works well on both modern and moderately older hardware. Wayland support continues to improve in 2026, but Cinnamon's traditional X11 session still provides the more mature and predictable experience for many users. Now let's talk about KDE Plasma. In 2026, KDE Plasma 6.7 is one of the most advanced desktop environments available. It offers a polished Wayland experience, better multi-monitor handling, per-screen virtual desktops, improved accessibility features, powerful window management, and many productivity improvements. Plasma is the clear winner when it comes to customization. You can move and resize panels, add widgets, change animations, configure window rules, customize shortcuts, download global themes, and completely transform how the desktop looks and behaves. KDE also includes some of the best Linux applications. Dolphin is a powerful file manager with split view, tabs, previews, network access, and an integrated terminal. KDE Connect lets you connect your Android phone to your computer, while Spectacle provides excellent screenshot and screen recording tools. Surprisingly, Plasma can also be very lightweight. On many systems, it can use similar or even less memory than Cinnamon. However, actual performance depends on the Linux distribution, graphics drivers, background services, widgets, and visual effects. Plasma's greatest advantage is also its biggest weakness. The enormous number of settings can feel confusing for beginners. Installing too many themes and widgets can also make the desktop look inconsistent or occasionally introduce problems. For gaming, multiple monitors, touchscreen devices, advanced window management, and users who prefer Wayland, KDE Plasma is the better choice. Cinnamon is better for beginners, office users, older computers, and anyone who wants a traditional desktop that works without much configuration. So, here is the final verdict. Choose Cinnamon if you want simplicity, stability, familiarity, and a clean out-of-the-box experience. Choose KDE Plasma if you want modern technology, powerful applications, maximum customization, and complete control over your desktop. Personally, I would choose KDE Plasma because it gives me more freedom to customize my workflow. But for someone switching to Linux for the first time, Cinnamon may offer the easier and more dependable experience. Which one would you choose in 2026, Cinnamon or KDE Plasma? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more Linux comparisons. Thanks for watching.